Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of October 13, 2021. So on this day, it is celebrated as International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. It is observed annually on 13th October to raise awareness about the risk of disaster reduction. And going to the current affairs, the first question is, which of the following becomes the first state in the country to introduce mobile court? The options are A. Telangana, B. Delhi, C. Gujarat, and D. Assam. And the correct answer is A. Telangana. Telangana have become the first state in the country to introduce mobile court. Court allow the recording of evidence of women and child victims or witnesses. The second question is, which of the following have reached their 9th IPL final in history? The options are A. Mumbai Indians, B. Chennai Super Kings, C. Royal Challengers Bangalore, and D. Kolkata Knight Riders. And the correct answer is B. Chennai Super Kings. Chennai Super Kings have reached their 9th IPL final in history with 3 titles in 8 finals. And captains leading their team to most IPL finals are Dhoni with 9 IPL finals, Rohit 5 IPL finals, Gambhir with 2 IPL finals. Most IPL finals, according to teams, CSK appeared on 9 IPL finals, Mumbai Indians 6 IPL finals, RCB 3 IPL finals, and KKR or Star H with 2 IPL finals. Ruturaj Gaikwad becomes only the third CSK batter to score 600 runs in a season, after Michael Hussey, who scored 733 runs in 2013, Ambati Rayudu 602 runs in 2018. Youngest captains, playoffs or semis or knockouts in IPL or Rishabh Pant with the age of 24 years 6 days. And the third question is, which of the following will host an online meeting of the Executive Committee of SAFF Federation? The options are A. Bangladesh, B. UAE, C. Maldives, and D. Pakistan. The correct answer is C. Maldives. Thirteenth edition of SAFF Championship 2021, the biennial tournament. Maldives was declared as the host after an online meeting of the Executive Committee. The National Football Stadium in capital Malé will host all the matches. Total 5 teams participated in tournament. Those are Pakistan and Bhutan not participating. Participating nations are Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. Afghanistan joined SAFF in 2005 and left the association in 2015. First SAFF championship hosted by Pakistan in 1993. The winner is India. India hosted 3 SAFF championships till now: 1999, 2011 and 2015. Most successful team in ACIFF Championship tournament is India with 7 titles and Maldives with 2 titles. South Asian Football Federation (SAFF) founded in 1997 and headquartered in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The fourth question is, who among the following was elected as Telugu Movie Artists Association President? The options are A. Prakash Raj, B. Mohan Babu, C. Nagababu, and D. Vishnu Babu. The correct answer is D. Vishnu Babu. And the fifth question is, which of the following bank launched NAV e-cash card on board naval aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya? The options are A. SBI, B. HDFC, C. ICICI, and D. Kotak Mahindra. The correct answer is A. SBI. SBI launched NAV e-cash card on board naval aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. The idea of such a card was jointly nurtured by SBI and Navy officials. The card takes care of the requirements of the Navy, providing seamless on-board experience. The sixth question is, who among the following has equaled the Pelé by making the 77th international goal? The options are A. Lionel Messi, B. Sunil Chetri, C. Neymar Jr., and D. Ronaldo. The correct answer is B. Sunil Chetri. Sunil Chetri has equaled the Pelé by making the 77th international goal. 77th goal by Chetri during the strike helped India beat Nepal by 1-0. This achievement was made by Chetri while playing his 123rd match for India. He is now placed on joint third with Ali Pakpour from UAE. Is an active football player. He is behind Cristiano Ronaldo with 112 goals and Lionel Messi with 80 goals. And the seventh question is, which of the following states plan to conduct dry run of a mobile-based e-voting system? The options are A. Karnataka, B. Odisha, C. Telangana, and D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Telangana. Telangana planned to conduct a dry run of a mobile-based e-voting system. The dry run will be held in Khammam district of Telangana on October 20. This system, if successful, will facilitate vote using smartphone from home. The eighth question is, who among the following has won the F1 Turkish Grand Prix 2021? The options are A. Valtteri Bottas, B. S. Perez, C. L. Hamilton, and D. Max Verstappen. The correct answer is A. Valtteri Bottas. President Kovind has approved the appointment of Chief Justice to 8 High Courts. Ranjit V. Moore has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. Rajesh Binda has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. S.C. Sharma has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. Prakash Srivastava has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court. R.V. Malimar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of MP High Court. Rituraj Awasthi has been appointed as Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court. Arvind Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court. T.K. Mishra has been appointed as Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court. Chief Justice A. Qureshi transferred from Tripura High Court to Rajasthan High Court. Chief Justice Indrajit Mahanti sent to Tripura High Court from Rajasthan High Court. Mohammad Rafiq has been appointed as Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court. Vishwanath Somadar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court. A.K. Goswami has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court. The sports news are Ireland's Amy Hunter became the youngest centurion in one-day internationals with 16 years. Amy Hunter smashed the unbeaten 121 against Zimbabwe on her 16th birthday. Hunter made her international debut against Scotland in May, aged 15. She is just the fourth woman to hit an ODI century for Ireland, first since 2000. The youngest male batter to score an ODI century was Pakistan's Shahid Afridi, who scored 1 or 2 against Sri Lanka in 1996, aged 16 years and 270 days. The youngest female batter to score an ODI century was India's Hari Raj, unbeaten 114 against Ireland in 1999, age of 16 years and 105 days. The awards Astronautical Society of India confers Aryabhatta Award to G. Satish Reddy for his outstanding lifetime contribution to the commerce of astronautics in India. Astronautical Society of India set up in 1990 headquarters in current president of Astronautical Society of India is Dr. K. Shivan. And coming to the one-liners today, UNHRC voted to recognize the clean, health, sustainable environment as universal right. for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Purushottam Rupala launched river branching program. Jyotaditya M. Sky India has flagged off the Blue Drone Mela 2021 in Dehradun. Shashi Tharoor has been appointed the chairman of Parliamentary Committee on IT. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts about current affairs. Stay home.